What up, y'all? It's RexMakesBeats back with another video. Today I have an unboxing from Nike. It's the Nike Special Field Air Force 1. My pair is a size 9 and the official colorway is Midnight Navy. And it's a sneaker that I've been wanting for quite some time now, but it's not something that I'm willing to drop the $180 retail that they're asking for. So I came across a sale on Nike.com where they were going for under $100. And on top of that, there was a promo code for an additional 15% off. So it came out to about $85. Now that's something that I definitely couldn't pass up on. Now on to the shoe. The back heel area features a military mesh which feels very durable. You got the classic Air on the heel and also the Nike logo on the tongue and on the bottom of the outsole. And of course you got your two military straps. One is a bungee-like cord and the other is just your basic strap. Then you have your classic star pattern on your heel and your toe area of the gum outsole. And for the $180 retail price, you would expect the leather quality to be decent, which it is. The SF-AF1 features a soft and smooth tumbled leather. Another cool feature of this shoe is the hidden pocket behind the tongue, which is strapped down by a button and Velcro.